Hello students, in chapter 8 application layer our topic is www or you can say the World Wide Web. When we are browsing anything we are connected through the internet and here the concept of World Wide Web comes into picture. Mainly World Wide Web was proposed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 at the Sun. 1989, but the commercial web started in 1990. Here we have the web today, and that web we are using is the repository of information in which the documents in web the documents present is called the web page. The web is a repository of information in which the documents when you are browsing or going through any website, first page is comes into shown in your display. You click on some link on that page, you will move to another web page or another document that is also a web page. If that web page contains some pictures or some another link to that another web page, that means document in the web are called web page, and these are distributed all over the world on the different servers and they are linked together. Mainly web page can be a distributed or maybe linked. Maybe distributed or maybe linked. Distributed means they are distributed at different servers. Linked means a web page have link on its documentation to another web page which is have a link between them. Okay, sometimes you see you browse on a particular websites, there some advertisement are shown, you click on that advertisement means there is a link to another web page. That's why we are saying their web pages are either distributed or either linked web page. Mainly we use our web for retrieving some linked documents or browsing some information for doing the electronic shopping, gaming and these things. Means for the general purpose, for the gaming, for watching movies, watching YouTube, want to access some website or want to do any shopping, these type of things we can web browser is coming to pictures and web is coming to picture. Mainly web is client server type of services in which a client is the web browser. Web browser means on your host computer you are running a browser application, you submit your request and that web browser is working as a client this way, and that web browser send its request to another host. That server is called the server. That host is called the server which will fulfill your request and send you response. That's why we are saying our www is a client server type of paradigm or client server type of services, where browser is display a web page on your computer. Some web browsers are like Internet Explorer, Google, you have Mozilla Firefox. These are some web browser or you can say the web clients through which you submit your request. Web server, where the web page are stored at the server. Web page is stored at the server mainly, and each time when a client set a request, the corresponding document is sent to the client. Some popular server we say that like Apache server or Microsoft Internet Information type of servers. So these are some web servers. Mainly here the concept of website is also coming to picture. Website holds the web page. Website holds the web page. This web page, and these web page collection or the location where that web page is stored is called the website. And one website may contain one or more web pages. One website may contain or hold one or more web pages. Okay. Mainly the service is distributed among the servers, and that servers contain these web pages, and that web location where this web page is stored is called the website. Okay, when you go through the your university website, you want some documentation or like you want to download your syllabus for the particular semester or you want to download the syllabus of GATE, you need to visit the GATE website of GATE, and that contain the documentation means hold the web page of the syllabus, or that website is the particular location where that web page is stored, and that web page is stored or the website is stored at some server. that server is providing you the service. Mainly web pages consist of objects and objects. We call these objects why? Because someone contains some hypermedia data, some documentation type of data. These are particular data and we call them as objects. Mainly you need to access any of the web page, some address is needed because that is stored in some location, and that address is called the URL. URL means uniform resource locator. Uniform resource locator. Okay. This URL is the combination of two things. One is a host name to which particular host you want to access. Like here, example is taken www.someschool.education means we want to access the educational hub, system where the name of that educational system is called some school, and we want to access this particular picture on that a website or that school website. So this is a path name. This is the path name. Here this is the host, this is the particular location, or this is the particular web page you or the object you want to access, and this complete makes a URL. URL is a combination of host name plus the path name. This one is define the path on the some school website where this particular GIF picture is present and you need to access, and this is providing you the address. Like if when you want to go to home of your friend, that you need some address of your friend homes means first of all you need to know about the city, then the particular colony or the particular area. In that area you need to know about the street number. In that particular street you need to know about the home number. So that means you have some address to reach to your friend. That address contain both the host path name, host contain the city name, colony name, street number and the home number. The same way we if we want to access some document from the web page, we need the address, and that address is called the URL, and that is the combination of host plus the path name. So this way we are using the www World Wide Web today. So this is all about the www. We will use this web for the web browsing things and some fun type of things, playing game, watching movies and these things. So this is all about www, and next we will see about the particular protocols which were using the services of web, or how a web client browser or the web server are come into picture. Means we say the client server paradigm is implemented in the protocols. Thank you.